In the past, Chinese dumplings were made by families from working-class backgrounds. Often, the stuffing contained leftovers. Today, for feast days, they are made in large quantities and they symbolize prosperity. We try to give them a form of Chinese gold bullion. Here are the ingredients for 20 wontons. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To prepare the stuffing, mince the spring onion, put in the food processor the pork, the cornstarch, the salt, a good pinch of ground pepper, the sesame oil. Blend very finely for 2 minutes. Put the stuffing in the mixing bowl. Add the spring onion. Mix well. You can buy the wonton wrappers or make it yourself by following my video. Put in the center of each wrapper 1 teaspoon of stuffing. Humidify the edge of half of the wrapper with water. Fold it in two to form a triangle. Press to chase the air. Give the wonton half a turn. Put water on one side. It allows both ends to stick together. Press to prevent the wonton opening while frying. To get the crispy and golden crust, fry them in 2 steps. For the first cooking, heat the oil to 160 degrees Celsius. Put half of the wontons. Let them cook for 1 minute 30 seconds. Stir from time to time. Take them out and let them sit for 5 minutes. Continue the first cooking with the rest of the wontons. For the second cooking, heat the oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Brown the wontons for 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. Take them out and let them drain. For the dipping sauce, combine the light soy sauce, the black rice vinegar, and the chili oil. You can also enjoy them with mayonnaise. Enjoy them when they are hot. Bon appétit! The double cooking makes the wontons very crispy. This recipe is simple and contains few ingredients. The wontons are really tasty and the finely ground meat gives them a chew texture. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.